Hey guys! Oh guys, I had a great breakfast at McDonald's. It included pancakes, bacon, and like sausage. It was so good.
He's really strange.
Nobody really hangs out with him. We don't like him.
Why do you not use the machine?
Well, I don't use it because I put the coffee beans in and then the water and then I have my iced coffee.
Coffee has been made for many years, and that is not how you make it.
Hey, check this out.
Whoa, it's great.
Thanks!
That art is the worst piece I've ever seen.
Hey William, what you doing?
Making an elephant toothpaste for next year.
Oh, we should take it to the zoo.
I thought it was crazy, but not that crazy.
That art you gave me was not what I was expecting from you.
You've been acting really strange for a while now.
You asked to take elephant toothpaste to the zoo.
And don't even mention the stuffed animal.
What is this?
I promise you, it's not what it looks like. It's not what it looks like. That's not how I remember it happening. You know what? I don't have to deal with this anymore. I got a job at Princeton.
Wait, what just happened?